Casa Flor is a small contemplative pavilion commissioned by Nacho Mazzini, owner of the well-known yellow house with a round window, built in 2021. The new module sits on the adjacent plot to his original iHouse in Punta Ballena, near the Arboretum Lussich. Rather than building a conventional extension, the intention was to create a quiet retreat, an intimate space for reflection that complements rather than competes with the existing home. The project explores how a dwelling can dissolve the boundary between inside and outside while still accommodating all essential domestic functions. The goal was to intensify the experience of the landscape through spatial permeability and a restrained architectural gesture. The design takes the form of a single, pure, rectangular volume. Inside, two compact bodies organize the plan into three longitudinal zones. Facing the street, a mostly opaque façade shelters the entrance and contains service spaces for storage and hygiene, ensuring privacy. At the center, the social area opens to both sides, allowing the living space to merge directly with the outdoors. This openness is made possible through sliding exterior panels that run along the facades, enabling the walls to be completely freed when opened. At the rear, the resting area becomes a contemplative chamber, a double bed placed between two solid side walls and facing a large, fixed floor-to-ceiling glass pane, creating the feeling of sleeping among the trees. The entire house was prefabricated in the factory under the standards of iHouse, ensuring precision, reducing waste and noise, and allowing for a swift installation. The module was placed on site with minimal intervention, while the client continued living next door, and the natural terrain remained untouched. In this way, Casa Flor rests lightly on the land, enhancing the experience of the place without imposing upon it.